All right, this one has two kind of key differences. Notice this time the variable you're solving for, t, is in the denominator. So it's a little bit different to isolate it. And then, of course, probably you see the fractions jump out at you on the screen. So this has kind of two key things that we got to focus on. So first, we kind of think like, oh, I got to clear out that fraction. We've done that before with numbers. Let's do it with the variable as well. Just multiply both sides by t, right? Clears out the fraction, brings that variable up over to the other side. So you have t capital V equals 5r. And then now to get t by itself, just divide both sides by v. So that gives you t equals 5r over v. So a little different there because the variable that you're solving for was in the denominator, but essentially you just multiply that up across to the other side. Now let's plug in those numbers. So t equals 5 times 4/5 over 8/7. This one here, 5 times 4/5, well, you got a 5 and a 5th, so those cancel out, giving us t equals 4 over 8/7. So notice you got a big fraction line where that denominator is another fraction, but you might remember that that's just dividing by a fraction, or, in other words, multiply by the reciprocal. So this would be t equals 4 times the reciprocal, 7/8. And that would cancel a bit there as well, giving us t equals 7/2, or 3 1/2. Either way, it would be correct. All right. There you go. A little tricky because the fractions, a little review, usually a good idea.